Hey guys, fishing stuff. Got something in the mail. I'll show you what it is right after this. I was sent a product by a store on Amazon and they asked me to review it. It's called an 11-inch Maigic arm. It's made by Extreme 8. After using it for 2 weeks, I understand why they call it a Maigic arm. I'm not affiliated with the store in any way, and I'm not making any money, so I'm giving you my genuine opinion of the product. It came packaged really well. It comes with a phone mount and 3 GoPro mounts. It has a clamp on the bottom that you can change out for a hot foot. The mount has 3 pivot points, here, here, and here. And once you get the camera at the angle you want it, you lock the middle handle down and it's not going anywhere. It's so strong, in fact, I can hang my camera bag on it. Pretty cool. It's an all metal construction. I've been testing it for about 2 weeks and I really like it. It even holds a lot of weight, like a DSLR camera. I've used a GoPro with it. I've used my phone with it. I would highly recommend it to you guys trying to spice up your B-roll or having a hard time finding a place to mount your camera while you're fishing. I'll put a link to the store in the description box below. It holds great to everything I've put it on, and I'll show you some shots I got with it while I was testing it out. Mount's pretty cool. You can also do vlogs with it. Remember, 11-inch Maigic arm, sold by Vic Tools. Click on the link in the description box below. Go over to Amazon, check it out, and I'll see you next time.